How are you feeling?
That's right, this video is about you.
Seriously, if you felt compelled to click on this video, first of all, thank you for being here.
And secondly, let's talk about something that is either not talked about enough or talked about too much. Feelings.
Like the feeling of being by your desk,
when really you would rather have a one-way ticket somewhere away.
feeling stuck in the habitual, whether it is in your personal life or the content you are making.
It feels like the world has been turned upside down several times over in just the past few years.
From global pandemics that deeply altered the way we engage with the world and each other,
to rising costs of living and major conflicts all over the globe.
We are an eyewitness for injustice and suffering, and most times the scale of such atrocities
can leave us feeling powerless.
The good news is that you are not alone, and those negative feelings, just like positive ones, are temporary and only a part of this current season of your life.
It is an opportunity for growth. Always, no matter what happens.
Healing is acceptance and self-love.
It's the journey and not the destination, as you've probably heard many times.
And it's true. Success isn't a one-stop or a singular goal that you get to as a finish line.
It's an ongoing pursuit. Success is finding fulfillment in the everyday and feeling grateful for what you have.